Alright, today we are getting a new gas tank. And there is our brand new EU compliant LPG refillable gas bottle with the added safety valve. And now we're going to make some lunch.
Lunch is almost ready. I'm boiling sweet potatoes, but it's getting so hot in here like it always does when I'm cooking because the hot air just like rises. Like, oh my god, if you put your hand up here, it's like 100 degrees.
It's so hot up there.
Oh, and it's like hot outside right now too, so, and then I have to close this door because gusts of wind like come and they will blow out our stove. But today we have this. It is a vent and we're gonna put it right here. And then we have two little computer fans that we bought, and we're gonna put those there, and then we're gonna have our own homemade extractor fan. I'm really excited because cooking in here is a little bit much, and like, I feel like you just need something to help circulate air because it just gets stagnant in here.
Yeah.
Especially now, at least we have the back doors open, but like sometimes we're cooking in here with all the doors closed if we're like, don't want, I don't know, if you can't have the doors open for whatever reason, and then it's like, ridiculous, and you're like sweating and you don't have a shower, and it's just like, I think this will help a lot.
Alright, step one is to take a look at the footage and try and figure out where the metal bars in this wall are. Because all we got is a nice white wall. And there's a metal beam here. I think there's one here, and there's one here, and there's one down that way, and there's one in there. And the vent, the hole needs to be cut so that it doesn't hit any of those. Otherwise...
And hopefully exactly cut so we don't have a hole.
Yeah, that's gonna be tricky.
Oh boy.
That's permanent.
Oh god. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Good?
Yeah. You pass me the zhuzher?
Yep. You really going for it?
Yep.
Okay. How's it going?
Good.
Wow. Let's hope there's no metal bars behind there.
No, there aren't.
No?
No. I can see.
Whew. Here you go. This dang insulation again. You did it!
Does it look good?
Yeah!
Is it kind of level?
Yeah! It looks amazing!
Next step is to put some sealant on the vent and then screw it in.
Yeah, Lou! Wow.
Alright, just finished taping the edge with some nice Eternabond tape so that it should be watertight and no water leaks down into our insulation. And next step is to mount our fans. Got fan number 1 in. Fan number 2 is in, so now we just got to run the wires up that way, down, and connect them to there. And if there's time remaining, I'm going to fix all that today. Wires are in, going down, dun 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 dun, and I just need to plug them in down there, and then I'm going to make all of this look a little bit nicer, because it's kind of ugly right now.
I like it.
Wires are covered with some silicone stuff. Everything is connected. Dana, will you do the honors?
What?
Push the button down there.
Lou, is there anything you can't do? I'm so proud of you. Oh wow, how's it feel? Is it sucking air?
Yeah, a lot.
Oh, you crushed it! I'm so proud of you and grateful. Thank you.
Alright, wires are tied together nicely. Now I just need to put this tube over them, like so. Alright, how does that look?
It looks so good.
The pipe is in. Looks a lot better than all those crazy wires. And now I'm just going to paint it all white. Got some wood in to cover the vent a little bit so it blends in a little more with the rest of the van. And yeah, it's looking pretty good, I think. And painted this up here white and the tube down there white. Just need one more coat on that and then that should be pretty seamless. So yeah, not bad for a vent install after the rest of the van is already done. Obviously it could look a little more seamless if we had done it first thing, but we didn't. Made a couple more improvements. We got a nice thing here for our toothbrushes, and this will be for Dana's jewelry down here. Just installed those while I'm waiting for this paint to dry so I can get the second coat on.
Da-da-da-da! Oh my gosh. Lou! It's so beautiful!
Isn't that cool?
Oh my goodness. It makes it look so much better.
Yeah, it looks like a proper like vent.
And it fits right in with this wood.
Yeah. You like?
I love it. It's kind of like a picture frame.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, and you painted everything.
Uh-huh.
The tube.
Yeah.
It's not blue.
The tube.
Wow.
And there's more surprises to your left.
Oh, that's epic! Finally a home for these guys.
Oh, for the tooth.
And my jewelry.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got a little box
Wow, that's amazing.
there. And we got the toothbrush thing.
I got lemons to fill this up. Oh, I did forget a cup for that. Sorry. Lou, it looks so good.
Like it?
Wow, you are so right. This cleans up so much better when it's not shiny.
Yeah.
Oh, our home is even better.
Yeah.
How is that possible? Well, do you want me to make you dinner?
Yes, please.
Oh, I love it so much. This is what happens when we go off our separate ways. You have a productive day. I had a productive day. We got a newsletter in. We got a blog post written. All this stuff.
Crushing life.
Yeah. I'm proud of you. You really crushed it.